New week. Welcome to the new vlog. Heading into the comic shop. See you inside. There it is. I'm heading in. So here are the pickups for this week. There were a couple leftover free comic book day stuff, so I picked those up because J80 Hobbies didn't get a chance to grab those, so I know he's a big Star Wars, that is, and so I'm going to send those out to him. Picked up the Geiger second print, Geiger Rook Exodus red coat. We picked up Geiger number 2. Picked up Amazing Spider-Man 49. This is a Blood Hunt tie-in. Then picked up the free previews, Marvel, and then the DC Connect. So that's what I got for you. Kind of a light week, but hey, we're live in the car at the comic shop. I feel like Chris the Comic Vid. All right, we're barbecuing tonight. We've got the charcoal in there. Got some steaks. We're doing some steaks. Miko, what are you doing? Mr. Miko, what are you doing? Oh, he's got something. He's got a bug. He's eating something. Miko, what are you doing? Don't eat the... Oh, don't eat it. Miko. What are you eating? Oh, don't eat the bugs. One cicada down, only 4 million to go. All right, we got the steaks on the Barbie. Whoop. Rob Fat Stacks, don't judge me. It's cicada season. We got one right here. I don't know if he's alive or dead. He's dead. Little buggers. They make a lot of noise. It's weekly bath time at the Brian LCS household. So I'll be squeaky clean for my next video. On our nightly walk, going by the little pond that's in our neighborhood here. We've got the doggies with us. Yeah. Not a bad little place to walk around. Checking out some toys at Ross. Got some page punchers. Superman. What that one is. Green Lantern, too. $5. Pop figures. Anime figures, but it looks like they all got their clothes on, so Remy won't like those. Spidey. Daily walk and frog hunt. So the Rangers lost the game we went to 4-3. They're still in the series. They're up 3-2, so hopefully they'll win it. But now my wife and I have been to 2 games in Raleigh to see them play the Hurricanes, and we've lost. We're 0-2 at the game. So, but we did get to go to Buc-ee's afterwards. So let's take a look at that. Hanging out at Lake Murray. Pretty nice way to spend a Monday evening. Barbecuing up some steak for dinner. Not a bad view. Beef. That's what's for dinner. Let's go see what they got. So no comic packs at Ollie's. They did have some graphic novels, but they were really picked over. Lots of action figures and stuff, which you saw. But yeah, kind of a disappointment. Didn't pick anything up. So I'll have to try and find another one. So I figured I'd try a little Snapchat filter to finish up this week's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm kind of digging making these. Let's see how this turns out with the my ZZ Top look. But I appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you soon.